Hey, welcome back, guys. We are on a new module. This is not a very long module. It's not going to take us a long time, but let's look at this one. This is Eureka Math Squared, fourth grade, module 5, lesson 1. I am Mr. Short. Hopefully, by now, you've hit that subscribe button for me. It's going pretty well. My class is almost the reward. That's probably the worst I've written my name in a while. Still coming off spring break. Still trying to get back in my groove with everything. I think I made it worse, but we're going to move on. All right. Which numbers are prime? Choose the two correct ones, right? Remember, prime. That means it can only be divided, or I'm sorry, not divided. Well, divided is too technically also true. But you can only multiply one and the number by itself to make the number, right? So if we look at the number 2, what can we multiply to get the number 2? We can only multiply 1 times 2, right? 1 times 2. We could do 1 times 8. We could do 2 times 4. That doesn't count. We could do 1 times 15. We could do 3 times 5. That doesn't count. We could do 3 times 11 or 1 times 33. That doesn't count. We could do 1 times 43 and 1 times 43. That's it. Nothing else will work that there. All right, number 2. Fill in the blanks. Use the picture to help you. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bunches of 5 bananas. The first multiple of 5 is, how many are there? The third, 1, 2, 3, the third multiple of 5 is the seventh multiple of 5. If we did 1 times 5 for the first one, we did 3 times 5 for the third one. We're going to do 7 times 5 for the fifth one. That's going to be good. All right. The value of the underlined 8, that one, a little closer. Focus. There we go. The value of the underlined 8 is, there's an 8, times more than the value of the circle. So how much more is this worth? This is 80. This is 800. How many times more is this? All right, so think of it as if you have this and you want to get to this, what do you multiply it by? All right, that's all I'm helping on that one. Hey, look at that. Nothing on the back. This first one, that was pretty quick. But these are important things to know. Tomorrow it's going to get harder, so make sure you got this because tomorrow we get into a little bit tougher stuff. All right, I'm Mr. Short. I hope this helps. I hope you have a good night.